Hi YouTube, this is OS Joker here, and I'm gonna do a quick PK video. Probably get about 5 fights, and yeah, so try and find out first one. I'll be back when I find the first one. Okay, so good luck. Please go from close kill, please. Um, wow, that was quite bad. That was actually quite really bad. Rape was really good. I just lost my bank. I had about 12 bill, something like that. Oh, I'm gonna die. Ooh. Oh, just try to take my protect item off. Nah, man, that was a bit safer. But I ain't losing this bad boy as now it's my bank, because I had about, when I was rich, I bought loads of rooms. Yep, now I can move. Alright, let's set up with that. Jesus, he's hitting like a stud. Okay, go this back. Go. Oh my god. Can't hit with my freaking DDS. Sucks so much. Ooh, I would've killed him as well. Okay. Back on I find another fight. Hi guys, just before I find my next fight, if you have no spec like I do, quick little trick. You can either go to the mage tab, I just go to my quest tab, and then you go to Dude Arena. You just try and find someone there. And yeah, if you didn't know this, which most of you should, you will be able to get your spec back and you will lose your skill. So if you didn't know how to do this, I'm sure you know. If you do know, I'm just trying to help the newer players. Okay. So it looks like I'll be fighting him again. Don't tab this time. I reckon I would have killed him. So yeah. See if we'll meet that guy at home. See you in a bit. Okay, so we're gonna fight him again. Good luck, so. Whoa! Jesus. Hopefully we can get the kill this time. Flip. Oh my god. I was just about to lose out here. Wow. DBS sucks for the song. Whoa! I'm dead. Nope. Tanked it. Okay. I know I'm saving a bit, but this guy's gotta go good. Wow. That DBS. Said something wrong with my DBS. Change the attacks. Whoa. 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 Rumble. Oh! Oh my god. GG. Whoa. Nah, man. Let's quickly back, get some food, and pick up the loot. As you can probably see, my bag's a bit of a mess. And let's get more loot. Which is here. Okay. Okay, so there's a fender. There's the Astro games. Okay, I'll be back. What if I call it? Yeah, girlfriend. Okay, back outwards. Okay, you're gonna find another fight. This guy has a good luck, so hopefully I can get him. I'll risk it. I've got elite. This stuff is awesome. Oh, that. Whoa. Okay, we'll take a bit of a safe there. Ooh. Jesus, this guy. I swear, something either wrong with my whip or something I'm not being told about. Oh, don't double spec. Wow. Ooh, whoa. Sorry, I'm sounding like a douche, guys. I'm more of a staker kind of guy. I lose and then back. Okay, let's get. Oh my god. Obviously that would happen. Okay. Whoa. Okay, back now. Okay, good luck to him again. So, this is probably gonna be my last fight of the day. As I got things to do and, you know, go. Ah, damn. Chain came on here. Let's get. It's just a bit around here. Oh my god. I made a safe do it there because I thought he was gonna spec. Oh my god. Oh my god. People are repeating the same thing. Speed rate is kind of bad at the moment. You know, I'm not hitting anything like. I was constantly hitting 38s with someone. But maybe because he didn't have elite armor. Oh my god. Yeah, I only like the hotkey, the spec thing. I don't know. I just find it easier. Hotkey and like the mage and stuff. So. Oh my. Oh shit. I nearly forgot. Oh my god. Nope. Ah! Okay guys, yeah, this is my first video. I'll be making probably, oh, how much more of that? Probably more vids, in future. Probably most likely to be well, a mixture between steaks and steaks and PKing, maybe even dicing on my dice account. If you want to add me in game, just go ahead, OS Joker, or add my dice account, host space MJ. You can talk or PM if you need anything. So yeah, if you like the video, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. There'll be more from me. Bye. So yeah, hopefully you guys will come more, and goodbye.